Hello my friends, welcome to my channel. We have the Dark Knight and Superman, and coming back from the dumpster in which Dodge fell, he is apologizing. Superman, I'm sorry, I don't know what happened to me. My mustache, it's affecting my brain. I'm gonna go shave it. Alright, go ahead and do that. And you can still be my friend. Superman, that's great to say. You know, this is why you guys are our idols of people from many years ago. Okay, my friends, we're gonna get into the lesson of today. We have an Avid setup here. We set up our name, date, and number, and we have 2 column notes with 4 squares now to show what we need to do. So now, here's what happens, my friends. We have to decide how to write the expression first. So one thing that we need to know is, you know that we have how many parts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And each of these parts has this value. So we're going to start with 1/3 is 1/4 of or we can write it backwards. And I'm sorry, this time I'm going to write it with words. We're supposed to write it with words here. 5 times, my friends, the difference of 1/3 and 1/4. And just so you know, to clarify, you know that this is a difference right here. Okay, that is what we call it, the difference. Okay, now solve this problem, my friends. So this is our solution. So we know that it's 5 times 1/3 minus 1/4. Now, this problem is going to take us back to reviewing subtracted numbers with different denominators. So we're going to do this on the side. I'm going to just show you right here. 1/3 minus 1/4. Okay. So our main purpose is to find common denominators, so making both of them the same. So we're going to multiply opposite denominators. So we're going to multiply 3 times the 4. And what you do to that denominator, you do it to the numerator, which is 4 times 1. And now the 4 is multiplied by 3, which is the opposite denominator. And we follow the same procedure for the numerator. So now we can answer the question. We can find out this is 12. 3 times 4 equals 12. 1 times 1 equals 4. And 1 times 3 equals 3. We know that the answer is 1 and 1/12. Okay, my friends, so now we can substitute that for this number. So we can just make an arrow to show that we solve the parentheses first. So here's what happens now. 5 times this was the result of this was 1/12. So we're going to write 1/12. Since we're doing fractions, my friends, we're sure this is a fraction. So we're going to make sure that you know that 5 always has a 1 under it. So 5/1 times 1/12. When we multiply that, it's going to give us an answer. So 5 times 1 equals 5, and 1 times 12 equals 12. Okay, so now this is not an improper fraction, so we're not going to divide it. But, and I think this is it. This is our answer, my friends. So now we know that the answer is 5/12 for this problem. So here's how you write it. So 5 times of 1/3 minus 1/4 equals 5/12. Okay, my friends, keep watching the videos, keep having fun, and learn math. It's always the great skill to have because it will take you far into the future. Thank you for watching my channel.